Have you noticed that everyone seems to be talking about AI agents lately? They are often described as the next big step in artificial intelligence, but what exactly is an AI agent and why is everyone so excited about them? The good news is that the idea is much simpler than it sounds. Let's take a moment and break it down into simple terms. At its core, an AI agent is an artificial intelligence system that is designed to accomplish a goal, not just answer a question. Think of it as software that can observe what's happening, decide what needs to be done next, and then take action using the tools it has available. Rather than stopping after one response, it continues working through a series of steps until the job is finished, or asks you for help if it needs more information. Think of a normal AI chatbot like a helpful assistant. You ask a question, it gives an answer, and then waits for your next instruction. A chatbot is designed to have a conversation, while an AI agent is designed to accomplish tasks. Instead of simply answering questions, an AI agent can plan, make decisions, use different software tools, remember the goal it's working toward, and continue completing multiple steps with very little guidance from you. Imagine asking someone to plan a vacation. A chatbot might suggest places to visit or recommend hotels. An AI agent could search flights, compare hotel prices, build an itinerary, organize everything into a document, and present you with several complete vacation options. The difference is that the agent isn't just giving information, it is actually completing work on your behalf. Here's another example. Suppose you own a small business. Instead of asking AI to write one email at a time, you could ask an AI agent to review customer messages, draft replies, organize appointments, create a weekly report, remind you about important follow-up tasks, and notify you when everything is complete. It becomes more like a digital employee than a simple chatbot. Now, does this mean AI agents will replace people? Not necessarily. In some situations, they may automate repetitive work that currently takes hours each week to complete. But in many cases, they will become powerful tools that help people work faster, stay organized, and focus on the parts of their jobs that require human judgment, creativity, and relationships. This is why many companies are investing heavily in AI agents right now. They see a future where AI doesn't just answer questions, it helps complete entire projects. The important thing to remember is that an AI agent still needs direction. It's a powerful assistant, but not a perfect replacement for human thinking. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Life and AI for more practical, real-world insights on how artificial intelligence is changing everyday life. Thank you for watching.